Welcome here, welcome home. This meditation is for self-acceptance and to rest into your remembrance of who you are, to acknowledge yourself and the value you hold and the value that you are inherently just by being here, present with and for yourself and the breath that you carry. Inviting yourself to be here exactly as you are, with no need to change any part of yourself, any part of your experience. Just allowing yourself to breathe into this moment, into yourself, into what feelings that are here. Notice where you are in your mind, in your heart, within your body. What's residing on the inside? What's circulating within your thoughts? What are you returning to? What are you letting go of? Are you being here for and with yourself? How is your presence? Are you resting within who you are? Can you meet the fullness of your breath and embrace each and every part of you? The quiet parts, the loud parts, that which is seen, and that which might not want to be seen, but still is. How is your heart? How is the rhythm of your body, even in stillness? How are you carrying yourself? How are you giving care to yourself? Can you be here in the freedom that exists in the quality of not moving, of being still, of being here, unmoving? Can you feel the freedom of rest, of stillness, and the moving quality within stillness? Sometimes we keep going, we move and move and move. Where are we going? What's the intention that lives within, behind our movements? What's leading us? Is it our hearts? Is it our minds? Is it someone else's voice? Whose voice is bringing you home or leading you away? Can you come back to your own sound, to your own voice, your own knowing, and what's true for you. Be here, fully present, trusting yourself, trusting your own way. You know what you need. And you get to feel into all the things that excite you, all the things that are unfolding in your life. You can move closer to it, and you can let go of what's not welcoming you back. See where you can call yourself back into your being. Any aspects and parts of you that you've had to let go of, that are calling to be returned to be invited back and seen again, to be felt again, known again. Come back into your presence. Come back into your truth. Come back into feeling every part of you and know that it is completely enough. You are completely enough as you are, whole and worthy in your being, in your breath. Remember who you are. Remember the light of your being. No matter what, your light cannot be dimmed, it cannot be taken. And even when it is felt like it has been gone, that you've been far and removed from yourself, you've always been here. You're here right now, breathing, and it's no small thing. Keep breathing. Keep welcoming yourself here. Keep welcoming yourself here. You are already worthy, and you are already enough. Always come back into sight of you. Always return to your remembrance and your right to be here. Your right to be who you are. To give your sound and voice forward in your own way. To move with the heart of your intention from a place of freedom and choice. And so much light, so much care. And so much letting of yourself be felt by yourself. You get to see yourself here, now, in each moment. How does it feel to see you? To breathe you? keep being here. Keep being here in all that you are. If this video has supported your being, like, share, subscribe, and return again. And remember, you are already worthy and you are already enough.